Hello everyone, welcome back to the Scandalous Sisters channel. My name is Carmen and I'll be taking over Tuesdays. However, I have created this look today. If you want to recreate it, just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows with the beige dip brow pomade in dark brown, and I have set mine with the Wetnwild concealer, light to medium beige, and set them with the Airspun translucent powder. And right now I'm just gonna go in with a transition color from beige Pro palette. Fluffy brush. After I'm done, I'm gonna go in with this color. Tapered and small one right here. And just apply it a little bit lower to darken up your crease. I'm going back to the beige Pro palette with this purple right here. Can't see it. Okay, this purple right here. Go back with the Glamour Dolls blending brush and go in with black just to deepen it up a little bit, like very tiny bits of black you're gonna get. So I'm just gonna cut my crease with the smudge brush from Wetnwild. Feeling a pink. Now that I have already finished with the pink and blue eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go in with the darker purple from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It's gonna be the darkest purple here, and just gonna use it in my outer corner and just blend it. I'm gonna go in with the glitters, Cobalt Crush. my eyeliner off camera and also apply my lashes. Now I'm priming with the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Primer. Now that I have already finished priming, I'm just gonna go in with my Real Technique sponge and use my Wet n Wild foundation in Desert Beige. I also mix this foundation a little bit with the Golden Beige just to get my right shade. Translucent powder and just go under my eyes and T-zone there. I'm going with the ABH Contour Kit. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and this other shade right here. I'm just gonna set a little bit with the setting spray. So I'm fixing to just apply my highlighter to make it an extra pop. Color right here and this color right here. apply setting spray again. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you dare to live in color. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a video. Also, don't forget on Thursday my sister's gonna be taking over. See you in the next one.